Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel dedicated to all pocket watch lovers. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing of a piece I recently purchased from an online antique shop. It's a Swiss L.U.C Chopard, featuring a remontoir-style movement and a jewel chaton on the center wheel, a very interesting mechanical detail. At first glance, the watch appears to be running, but of course it will need a full service to ensure proper performance. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful piece. Chopard was founded in 1860 by L.U.C Chopard, a young Swiss watchmaker known for the precision and elegance of his mechanisms. The brand began in the small village of Sondelier, in the Swiss Jura, producing mainly fine and highly accurate pocket watches that quickly gained a reputation among travelers, railway workers, and demanding clients of the time. As the brand grew, Chopard expanded into international markets and became a supplier of timepieces for prestigious courts and elite circles. Over the decades, the company maintained its tradition of high-quality mechanical movements, combining technical innovation with luxurious finishing. In 1963, the company was acquired by the Schauffele family, who propelled Chopard into the world of modern high watchmaking and jewelry. Still, the original spirit of L.U.C Chopard, precision, elegance, and craftsmanship, remains alive, especially in the L.U.C line, which honors the founder with in-house movements and exceptional finishing. Today, Chopard is recognized worldwide as one of the great Swiss maisons, blending tradition, artisanal dedication, and innovation, always with a touch of luxury. Thank you for watching until the end. Let me know in the comments what you think about this pocket watch and whether you were already familiar with Chopard. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos.